In this video, we're going to do a few examples about how to calculate a commission-based pay. So for this problem in particular, we have Anne, and she's considering two different jobs, and we want to figure out whether she would be able to make more money at one place or the other. So our first choice is Bowden Tools, and at Bowden, she gets a salary of $800 per month. So she gets that money no matter what. Now on top of that, she will also get a commission of 3% of everything that she sells, and we know that on average she sells about $87,000 of items per month, so she gets 3% of that. Now also at Bowden, she gets an extra 3% on any amount of sales over $75,000. So that's this part of our answer here. So we find the amount over $75,000, which is $87,000 minus $75,000, and then we add in an extra 3% on that. So at Bowden, her average monthly salary would be $3,770. Now the other company she's considering is Centaur, and there she makes just commission. So she gets 2.5% on the first $45,000 worth of monthly sales. So that's this part of our problem here. And then the next $20,000 worth of sales that she makes, she gets 4.5% of that. And then anything in excess of $65,000, she makes 7% on. So we take her monthly sales minus the $65,000, and she gets 7% of that. So that brings her average expected monthly income for Centaur to $3,565. And then our final question is asking to compare them. Where would she make more? So we subtract those two values and find that she would expect to make about $205 more every month if she chose to work at Bowden. And one more quick example where we're working in reverse and we want to try to figure out the commission rate. So in the previous example, they gave us commission rates. Here we're working backwards. So what you need to do in general to find a commission rate is you need to take the amount of commission divided by the amount of sales that you got commission on. So in this particular problem, she makes commission on any sales in excess of $50,000, and she had $180,700. So we subtract those, and she's getting commission on $130,700 worth of sales. Her commission amount was the $5,040. So if we divide that and then multiply by 100, that turns it into our rate or our commission rate. So she makes 3.9% on any sales over $50,000.